Over the past 5 years, global agribusiness has faced uncertain convergence of shocks, pandemic-driven supply chain failures, major disease outbreaks, devastating livestock industries across continents, extreme weather disrupting feed crop markets, geopolitics tensions rejoining trade routine overnight. These aren't isolated crises. The signals from global authorities are consistent. Compound risk events in food systems are becoming the operation norm, not the exception. What I hear from customers across markets is the same. Farm competitiveness today isn't just about production efficiency, it's about resilience, maintaining continuity, controlling cost and volatility, and preserving trust with downstream buyers even when conditions shift. That's the world our customers are navigating, and it's why the role of animal health has never mattered more.